Good day everyone, my name is Rafael D. Duque, a Diploma in Teaching Values Education student. Throughout this course, I gained many valuable realizations from the three subjects that deepen my understanding of values education. From approaches and strategies in teaching values, I realized that teaching values is not simply about telling students what is right or what is wrong. It is about creating meaningful learning experiences that allows learners to reflect, make responsible decisions, and internalize values through active participation. As a teachers, we should serve as facilitators who guide students in discovering and living out values in their daily lives. From values integrations, I learned that values should not be taught only during the values education classes. Every lessons, regardless of the subject area, presents opportunities to develop learners' character. Integrating values intentionally helps students connect academic knowledge with real-life situations and become more responsible, compassionate, and morally grounded individuals. From instructional materials and technology integrations, I realized that technology is a powerful tool in values education when used purposefully. Digital tools, multimedia resources, and interactive activities can make lessons more engaging, relevant, and meaningful, especially for today's learners. However, technology should always support the formation of values, not replace authentic human interactions and reflections. These three subjects are closely connected because effective values education requires appropriate teaching approaches, intentional values integration, and meaningful instructional materials supported by technology. Together, they create learning experiences that inspires both mind and the heart of our individual or our students. I hope you learn from